Okay, so our last kind of transformation that we need to talk about is a dilation. And really, dilations are enlargements or shrinkage by scale factor. So we talked about scale factor in 7th grade, so this should be a great review for you. Here, as we move into dilations, we talk about scale factor being represented by K. All right, so there again, I'm going to try and draw, y'all. But if we have a dilation by a scaling factor of 2 with the origin as the center of the dilation. So look, my little grid lines are helping me here. This is why we do things on grid paper. So this is my origin, 0, 0, right? And we're going to do something like this as... So my original triangle may look something like this, okay? And then if it has a scale factor of 2, then that means we are enlarging it by 2. And it's gonna look something like that, all right? So it's gonna go through the origin, and I should have drawn better. But you can see that the points are doubled by their distance within the origin, okay? So that's the doubling of distances. If the center of the dilation is not specified, it is the origin, okay? So if it's not specified, it's the origin. For dilations, the D notation is easier to use in the composition of the transformations. There again, it's kind of like its own language, right? Let me finish drawing my triangles. That might be helpful. All right, so if we're using this same example down here, this could be written as D2, where the subscript, that's what that's called, is the scaling factor. So this is scaling factor. All right. The center of that dilation is the origin, so it could be also written as D2, 0, 0. This specific dilation, because we're talking about K representing the scaling factor, could also be written as X, Y, 2X, 2Y, which just tells you that you're multiplying both by the same rate, right? Because we do know with scale factor that they have to multiply at the same rate. And then all of the sides change at the same rate. And then it's telling you you're multiplying the X point by 2 and the Y point by 2. All right? Makes sense? It's not terrible, I promise.